What's poppin', que la que hay, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a first impressions look using some of these new drugstore products that I've bought within like the last couple of weeks. So if that is something that you would like to go ahead and see, stay tuned and keep watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like this video. PSA announcement, just because I know y'all are gonna see it. I'm missing a nail. So I'm missing a nail. And it's not cute. I went to the gym and it just popped off while I was trying to do weights. Horrible. Just horrible. So if that is something you see during the video, just pretend like you ain't even see it. Honestly. So without further ado, since I got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, so I've bought a lot of cool, exciting stuff within the last couple of weeks because I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. I'm coming strong. I want to get content out to you guys. And honestly, I just love being in front of the camera and just, you know, playing with what I enjoy, which is makeup. So I've already done my eyebrows and I used the LA Girls Brow Pomade. I've used it before in the past, but it is a drugstore product, and this video is just mainly drugstore products. I did go ahead and underline, basically concealed the bottom of my brows with the new e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. And so far so good, but we're gonna go ahead and use this beauty today, and I'm so excited because this is the most colorful, beautiful palette that I've seen in a long time. And I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys up close and personal. That's what it looks like. And honestly, I just wanted to go ahead and dibble dabble into these colors because they are gorgeous. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And first, obviously, we're gonna start on our eyes and then we're gonna move on. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this concealer and just tap into it on my lids because we're gonna use that as the primer. For whatever reason, I just don't use like primer for your lids. I just go in with like concealer. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a cute pinky look. I definitely didn't come out with a video for Valentine's Day. My badness. I actually planned on doing one and I don't even know what happened. I don't know if it was school or whatever it was, but it got in the way and I was just like, so I didn't do it. But I'm gonna actually go in with this color right here. It's like a cute mocha brown. And that's gonna go in my crease. I'm gonna go in with this blue shade right here, and I'm gonna tap into my outer corners. So we're just tapping lightly because this palette is really good actually. It's blending easily. There's no patchiness. See, now I gotta go back with that brush because this brush be tapping, like literally tapping my vibe. Now I'm gonna go back in with that concealer, and I'm just gonna tap the product into the part of my eye that obviously will your crease. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and take this really pretty hot, like really hot pink shade.
I'm gonna moisturize my face.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a foundation, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with that 16-hour camo concealer. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with the Wet n Wild Banana loose setting powder. And this is new, but I'm so freaking excited to use it. I've been dying to use it for so long. Not for that long, but since I bought it. So I'm super excited for this. Like, I'm ready to see. Because Wet n Wild's actually one of my favorite companies. And my dream would definitely be, you know, to work with them someday. On any level, to be honest. I am not picky Wet n Wild. So if you see this video, hit your girl up. I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. I'm gonna be using the It's My Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna be going in, I think I'm gonna go in with like the mocha shade, which is this one. With the Wet n Wild Color Icon Purulent Pink, and it looks like that. And I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm gonna be using the Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline. I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Jelly Highlighter. Ooh. Go ahead and try to put it into my inner corners. And with these beautiful Eyelure Silk Effect Wispy Silky Eyelashes. Look at these. Do this off camera, but I'll see you guys in just a second. Alright, so lastly, I'm going to go in with my lips. And I'm going to be using a Makeup Revolution lip kit that I bought. It is in the shade Echelon. And it looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray. And so yeah, that goes ahead and completes today's video. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you definitely enjoyed this video. And subscribe if you definitely like this and want to know what other content I'm gonna be coming up with for the next couple of weeks. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.